Hello students, welcome back to the online learning of mathematics. Let us learn lesson number 16, surface area and volume. Curved surface area of cylinder. The curved surface area of cylinder is defined as the area of curved surface of any given cylinder having base radius r and height h. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius r multiplied by height h. Total surface area of cylinder. The total surface area of cylinder is equal to the sum of all its faces. The total surface area with radius r and height h is equal to the sum of curved area and circular area of cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus area of upper surface plus area of lower surface. That is, total surface area of cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus 2 multiplied by area of circular faces, which is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. We take 2 pi r common, so we get 2 pi r multiplied by h plus r. Therefore, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h plus r. Practice set 16.2. Sum number 1. In each example given below, radius of base of a cylinder and its height are given. Then find the curved surface area and total surface area. First one, here radius r is equal to 7 centimeters and height h is equal to 10 centimeter. First, we will find curved surface area of cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi r h. Let us substitute the values. So we get 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 440 square centimeter. Now, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h plus r. Let us substitute their values. So we get 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius 7 into 10 plus 7. First, we will add the numbers 10 and 7, which we get as 17. Therefore, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 17, which is equal to 748 square centimeter. Therefore, the curved surface area of cylinder is 440 square centimeter and its total surface area is 748 square centimeter. Question number 1, second. Radius r is equal to 1.4 centimeter and height h is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Let us substitute the value of r and h. So we get curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by 2.1, which is equal to 18.48 square centimeter. Now total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h plus r. Let us substitute the values. So we get 2 multiplied by value of pi 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.4 into 2.1 plus 1.4. The sum of 2.1 and 1.4 is 3.5. So we get 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by 3.5, which is equal to 30.80 square centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area of the cylinder is 18.48 square centimeter and its total surface area is 30.80 square centimeter. Sum number 2. Find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum of its diameter is 50 centimeter and height is 45 centimeter. Here we have to use the value of pi as 3.14 because it is given in the question. Solution. Here diameter D given is 50 centimeters. Therefore, radius r is equal to diameter divided by 2, which is equal to 50 divided by 2, which is equal to 25 centimeters. The total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h plus r. Let us substitute their values. So we get 2 multiplied by the value of pi 3.14 multiplied by 25 into 45 plus 25, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 70, which is equal to 10,990 square centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of the cylindrical drum is 10,990 square centimeter. Sum number 3. Find the area of base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Solution. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Let us substitute the values. So 660 is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r multiplied by 21. Therefore, radius r is equal to 660 divided by 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 3. Therefore, r is equal to 5 centimeter. Now, area of a base of a cylinder is equal to pi r square. Since the area of the cylinder is circular in shape, therefore 22 upon 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 550 divided by 7, which is equal to 78.57 square centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the cylinder is 5 centimeter and the area of its base is 78.57 square centimeter. In next online lecture, we will solve practice set 16.3. Thank you.